Alright, hey guys. This is a Martec, 48-inch Martec ceiling fan from the early to mid 1970s, I believe. Or possibly late 1970s, but I'm pretty sure it's early. And if some of my American friends are looking at this and thinking that looks a lot like a wing TAT, that's because it is. All of these UFO-style Martec ceiling fans in Australia are made by wing TAT. And this fan only reinforces that fact because it actually has the TAT logo on it. Where is it? There's the label. You can't really see, but up underneath the lower canopy, you can kind of see that red speck is the TAT label. Also along the bottom, it says Wing TAT Electric Manufacturing Company. This is a cast iron motor and mild steel blades. A lot of the newer ones, like this one right here, have a stamped steel motor and aluminium blades. So this is a very, very heavy fan. I'd say it weighs around like 14 kilos or something. It's very heavy, which means it takes a long time to spin down. So this is probably going to be a very long video, and it has 5 speeds. And because it's heavy, it's going to take a while to get up to speed. So we'll start with speed 5, which is low. I have the original controller for it, which is nice. I'll quickly show that to you. It's this thing right here. Transformer-based control, 5-speed transformer-based control. And it's going to take like probably a minute to get up to speed. There is another fan on behind me. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it though. Okay, that's pretty much low speed. Put it onto medium low. This fan makes it's not in the best shape, but I like that about it. There's a lot of surface rust on the tops of the blades. It's definitely been in a shed for a while. Not in direct water though. And it's quite unbalanced, which I'm gonna leave. And yeah, again, surface rust. It's dusty. It's loud. It has bearing noise. It has motor hum. But I actually really like that. It gives it a lot of character and a lot of history. And this fan will probably be going up in the shed if I can find the space for it on the ceiling. As you can see, it's very unbalanced. You can start to hear the bearing noise too. Put it up to medium now. All right, medium high. Phone stopped recording for some reason, but we're at medium high. I literally just started recording it again, so you haven't missed on much. Just means I'll have to edit this video, which is annoying. This thing is really kicking up a breeze. It's moving a lot of air. All right, full speed. Oh, and I kicked something. Really moving some air. This thing's insane. Very, very good performer. I can't really show it to you on video, but you can see that bag's moving with a bit of tape on the cable there. My feet are cold. The safety vest is moving. This thing's really kicking up a breeze. It's a straight bladed industrial as well, so the breeze is most evident directly underneath it, and this camera stand sucks. Right, we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and kick the camera stand. That's a good idea. We'll go ahead and do spin down. And because this thing is so insanely heavy, I am going to say that this is going to be a long spin down. We're at a minute 30 on the thing, so let's see how long it is. No, I feel like I should be talking during the spin down of the fans. Or at least doing something productive. I might turn this fan off so that I can get up above the shelves, because I need to get up there to shuffle some things around so that I can fit this fan in. I know some people get concerned when fans are really unbalanced, when they shake a lot or wobble. I'm not. It's perfectly fine, and it's honestly quite normal. Every fan shakes a tiny little bit. Some you just can't even see. But they're designed to be able to move, so it's not a problem. Right, I don't need to wait for this other one to stop because it's not on the video. Just turn it on the screen. So what I'm actually doing right now is reshuffling around these shelves, the stuff that's on these shelves, so that I might have a little bit of luck at hanging this fan up in the shed, because I'd really like to do that. I'm going to go through this box because I think some of the stuff that I don't need anymore. a bit close. But anyway, the fan's about to stop, so it's roughly 6 minutes, roughly 5 minutes. So roughly 5 minutes spin down, which is pretty insane, honestly. Especially considering how noisy the bearings are. You probably didn't really hear it when it was at speed. You hear it when the blade's on it, though. Right, before we go, I just want to let you guys hear the awesome noise that is this fan starting up to full speed from stationary. So here we go, full power. Okay, thank you guys for watching.